it looks so good, like it's from the car factory. Hi guys and welcome back. This is a video review of the Carpuride W903, my new multimedia navigation console. After a few weeks of research, I decided to get the Carpuride 903 because it's a good quality and affordable price. I think it's a much better choice than buy a cheaper one that will probably break in a couple of months. It has CarPlay, Android Auto and SuperLink that will allow you to mirror your phone. I was also able to see the views from my smart telescope directly on this beautiful large screen, like observing faraway mountains, the moon, or even faraway galaxies. Now let's open the box and see first what's inside. And here it is. We have it here. Let's take it out. Navigation screen. And here we have all the cables and cameras. This is the rear camera. We'll install this later. I will just go now and take all the accessories out. And here I think we have an auxiliary cable, I think. And we have also a manual. Have to read it. Here we have all the accessories. We have the charger, rear camera, and I think this is one of the bases. We can also this one to mount the navigation, and also this arm here that will allow us to make a custom position. And let's begin to check out this cool navigation. Installation takes only a couple of minutes and it can be done easy by using the two provided brackets. And the good part is you do not need to damage your dashboard. Let me show you now how easy it is to remove it and place it back. Yeah, basically you just slide from here, but you need to go gently, slowly. You see how easy it is to take it out. We have here the self-adhesive bracket. It's one option to mount it. The second option is the suction cup bracket that you can basically place it here on board. I have to remove this. And this will be the second option. And basically, depending on your board, you can select which version you want. It's also fully rotatable. This was also one of the reasons I selected the Carpuride console, because it has two options for mounting. Before buying, you don't know exactly which one is the best. In the end, I decided to go with the self-adhesive for my dashboard because I have a very tall dashboard, and having the suction cup on top, it did took some of my visibility. So I decided to go with the first option. And what's also neat that you don't need to have any screws here to do any work. It's very simple. You just slide it off and on, and you have installed it. Also, you need to make sure it's placed correctly so it will not drop from the car. So after you install it, check to be sure it's mounted correctly. Look how strong it is. Look. Oh, this is good quality. The Carpuride comes also with this high quality 4K rotatable camera that can rotate 350 degrees. Optionally, you can get also the rear view camera that is a 2K resolution, and you can connect these red wires with the reverse lights that will allow you also to see in the back of the car where you drive in reverse. It has every application you need: Google Maps, Waze, phone calls, voice controls, WhatsApp. You can even watch YouTube. It is powered using a car charger. Here we have also option for radio. We can listen to music. It has a high quality large widescreen, auto brightness, and also 4 audio modes: Bluetooth audio, internal speakers, FM transmission and auxiliary. And let's see how it sounds. The sound is very good. I was worried at the beginning that I would not be able to connect it to my car stereo, but I was able to do it and it works great. Before buying, I was worried if I can connect the Carpuride to my car stereo or not. And it seems I was able to do it and it works great. So this was my favorite connection, to just connect to the Bluetooth audio. You need to have also Bluetooth on your car stereo to be able to work. I connect it like this. However, I do have also here an option to connect the auxiliary there. Let's get it louder a little bit. Now, we'll stop now the sound and go fast and show you also other applications. Here we can go fast and check the camera. You see, it's now filming myself. And yeah, now it's filming in front. Setting, and we have here options: camera, record resolution. We have all these resolutions available that we can change. I just went with the highest one, 4K. However, we'll show you also how the other resolutions will look. Here we have other options like collision sensitivity, microphone, camera format, camera direction, reverse line calibration, where you can calibrate when you use the rear camera. Here, if you want, we can change this line. So I could change it like here. So this is about 1.5 meters. If we go like this. One meter and a half, and we can also determine exactly also where is 1 meter. That car, not the perfect example because it didn't park very well. So it can mislead us. Here is 1.5 meters, and here I think the red line is below 1 meter. Okay, we'll go outside. I can't see beneath this line, so the view will stop about, let's say, 40 to 50 centimeters. Okay. Set it so these circles here, or the end of the red lines, it's basically about 40 centimeters up to this white line. So I know when here it starts not to be visible, it's very, very close. And I'm driving now. I'm going to get some spring water, and it's a good chance to test the front camera 4K resolution. That being 350 degrees, I can use it also for vlogging, and it's especially good if I'm traveling somewhere to do also photography and I do want to film the trip and film myself like this while I'm talking. It was sunny when I got ready to go. Suddenly clouds came. I have to stop now for gas. After that we'll turn the camera around like this to show you how it films when you are driving. And look at this quality. Amazing, right? Okay, we are using the super link, and let's connect to Carpuride with Bluetooth, and we'll use the super link option, and we'll pair mirror casting, cast, add. Okay, let's press here, and I'm taking a panorama, capturing the panorama, and also we can see it through the Carpuride. And look, we can see our telescope view directly on the Carpuride navigation, and we can use it also for stargazing and see the moon, and also when we are doing deep sky astrophotography and live stacking of deep sky objects or the Milky Way. Currently is making a panorama. Here is the field of the wide field lens. We can see it here on the Carpuride on the 10-inch screen. So cool. I love this navigation. Perfect for traveling, and use it also with a telescope by mirroring your phone and the live views from a smart telescope like the Dwarf 3. And we just capture a live stack image of the moon using the Dwarf 3 Smart Telescope. And look at the views here on the quite large screen. Just amazing how good quality is the screen, and much larger than a phone, that we can also use it to watch YouTube and everything else. I'm currently using YouTube, and I can check some of my videos. I can go view channel. This is my channel on YouTube, and yeah, we can select one of my videos here to watch. For example, this one. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel Galaxy Azuya. And I see also this old factor here. Well, my friends, this was my video review for the Carpuride W903 multimedia navigation console. I do recommend it.
What's the title?
I do recommend it. It's a good quality product. The cameras work very well. The navigation also good. Very responsive, very good screen. It will show you the maps very well on a wide, almost 10-inch screen. A sharp and good contrast with auto brightness that will allow you to see the map clearly even in very bright sunlight. It was also a joy to see the views from my smart telescope, the Dwarf 3, directly through this large screen. The views were much better than with the phone, and if you want to stargaze or watch a faraway mountain or the moon with someone, you can mirror the screen directly from your phone to the Carpuride navigation and enjoy that special experience. With the Carpuride, you get a 2 years warranty, 24 hours customer service, and also 30 days unconditionally return, and also at an affordable price. What are you waiting for? Click on the link below and get also the discount. Well, see you soon, and clear sky.